Let's explore how to read intent reports and uncover valuable consumer search behavior, market trends, and competitive intelligence insights. Start by opening the Summary section, where you'll find the core keywords, search intent signals, and trend highlights driving the report. The trend graph visualizes how consumer interest changes over time, helping you identify rising demand, seasonal spikes, and emerging search behavior patterns. You can switch between product category keywords, brand mentions, and related search terms to understand how consumers talk about different topics within the market. Toggle between question-based searches, comparison searches, and correlated keywords to uncover what consumers are actively researching before making decisions. High-volume searches are clearly highlighted, helping you quickly identify the most competitive and commercially relevant consumer queries. You can also filter between different search categories to narrow your analysis and focus on specific consumer intent patterns. The keyword correlation map reveals how closely related different search terms are, showing both strong and weak keyword relationships across the market landscape. Clicking the graph icon beside a keyword opens a deeper trend analysis view for that specific search term. This allows you to track how interest in a keyword evolves over time and compare long-term consumer demand patterns. The report also maps where your audience sits within the consumer journey, from top funnel discovery to lower funnel purchase intent. Click on any stage of the funnel to explore that audience segment in more detail. You'll then see a distribution breakdown showing the types of consumers interacting at that specific conversion stage. The categories are organized by search volume, helping you understand which topics dominate consumer attention. Alongside this, the word cloud highlights the most frequently discussed themes and consumer interests associated with those searches. The keyword table provides a more detailed analytical view, including keyword performance metrics, trend shifts, and relative search activity over time. If you want to validate the report setup, click the Properties button for additional report metadata and configuration details. This section explains how the report was created, including the report type, intelligence source, data origin, and research methodology. You can also review the country, language, tracked keywords, and associated audience segment or AI twin connected to the report. Once you're ready to act on the insights, click Create Draft Campaign to turn consumer intent signals into campaign strategy and messaging ideas. Hope you enjoyed the video. To learn more, write to us at info@profitwheel.com. You can also fill out a quick form at consumr.ai or read more at resource.consumr.ai.